welcome to Deekshita channel. Deekshita channel, and today I'm going to fix a Rubik's cube. And many of the people are trying to fix blue color, and today I'm going to fix a blue color, and I collapse all the side, but I don't know to fix all the side. Only one color I can fix. That's why I'm going to put only one color. Okay, and let's start. And the first step, you want to see where we are having many colors, right? More colors. Where we are having many colors, you can check all the sides. If where we are having many colors, like 1, 2, 3 means here 1. No, this one. 1, no, and this 2. Means this is the bigger number. Then you can check another one. And here we saw blue here. After this we are having blue. Before this we are having 2 blues color. Now we can fix this blue at here. Then we got 4 here. No? Now this 2 become here. We can do it. Like this. Look, it came 3, 4, 5, 6. It came 6. And it is bigger now. And on the other side we are having 1. After this we are having 1. And this before we are having anything. Now let's check how to fix the first 1. It came. Now I'm thinking it is 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. Now let's check another side. Here we are having 1. After this we are having 1. And at the back side we are having 1. We need 2. It is 2. Now what should I do? Take this one here. It came, no? And this blue take like this. And then we have got here, and we want here to put this. Not here. Also we can put here too. Means you can go here. The first how we came like this one we can put, and here. Put here and here. And now it came up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it came 8. Only 1 missing. Let's fix it. It is under. Now here is the blue we want to put here. Now what should I do? Well, if it is here blue means you have to see this cube. The same cube you want to see the after number. It is in orange. Then you know that it is orange. That's why you can easily fix it. If it came like this, it's okay. You can. If it came means it is easy. It came here and here. Only same one only we're having. And that's all. We are finished. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and